Do you want to last longer in bed and impress your partner like never before? If so, then stay tuned because we've got the secret to boosting your bedroom confidence. Jamaican Stone. Jamaican Stone is an all-natural remedy that has been trusted for centuries, known for helping men improve their sexual stamina and control. It's simple, effective, and easy to use. No more embarrassing moments. Jamaican Stone allows you to take control, helping you delay ejaculation and enhance performance so you can enjoy longer, more satisfying sessions with your partner. Jamaican Stone lets you take control, delay ejaculation, and enhance performance. Imagine being able to last as long as you want, without the worry of finishing too soon. Jamaican Stone helps you stay in the moment and enjoy a deeper connection with your partner. Jamaican Stone keeps you in the moment, deepening your connection with your partner. Applying Jamaican Stone is simple. Just dampen the stone with a little water and gently rub it on the sensitive areas. Let it sit for a few minutes, then wash off. The results? A stronger, longer-lasting performance that'll leave your partner wanting more. It's 100% natural, made from herbal extracts, so you can trust Jamaican Stone to work without any harmful side effects. So why wait? Get your Jamaican Stone today and rediscover the pleasure and control you've been missing. Visit JamaicanBlackstone.com to order now and start enjoying a more satisfying experience in the bedroom. Jamaican Stone, for men who want to last longer, feel confident and enjoy more.